The police are meant to serve and protect the citizens of a country. However, in some cases, police officers have been known to use excessive force or discriminate against certain individuals. These situations are caused by deep-seated biases for a certain demographic, in particular, minorities. Interactions with law enforcement can be unpredictable and potentially dangerous, and it is important to understand your rights and behave in a certain way while dealing with the police. It's crucial to be aware of the potential risks when interacting with law enforcement. Today, we will be giving 8 pieces of advice to note when dealing with police officers. Make sure to watch until the end so you will not miss any of the information on the list. Before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications to get updates on new videos. Number 1. Remain calm and respectful. Maintaining a calm and respectful demeanor can help de-escalate a potentially tense situation and prevent misunderstandings or misinterpretations of your actions. Remember that police officers are tasked with maintaining the peace. It is a very serious job where death is not uncommon. Do not try to pick a fight with them or act in any way rude. If you're agitated, they're bound to be apprehensive, and when they get cautious, they will be more inclined to use deadly force. Even when you're sure that you are not guilty and a cop is placing you under arrest, make sure to remain calm and collected. Do not resist arrest, as that is a crime. Number 2. Keep your hands visible and avoid making sudden movements, whether you're in a car or walking on the street. If you are approached by a cop, make sure that your hands can be seen. If you're a minority in the country, this is especially important. There are many sad stories about cops assaulting unarmed black men. The cases are so rampant that it sparked a nationwide protest in 2020. Keeping your hands visible and not making sudden movements can help prevent the police from perceiving you as a threat and using unnecessary force. Number 3. You have the right to remain silent and not incriminate yourself. A good understanding of the law will give you better enlightenment about how to deal with police officers. Under the 5th Amendment of the United States Constitution, you have the right to remain silent and not incriminate yourself. You should not answer any questions, make any statements, or sign any documents without an attorney present. Number 4. You have the right to an attorney. Under the 6th Amendment of the United States Constitution, you have the right to an attorney and to have them present during any questioning or interrogation by the police. Do not fall for the officers' tricks when they offer you a deal. Number 5. If you are arrested, you have the right to know the charges against you. Once you are arrested, the police must inform you of the charges against you. This is known as the right to a Miranda warning. The police are generally required to inform a suspect of the charges against them as soon as is practical after the arrest. The specific time frame can vary depending on the jurisdiction and the circumstances of the arrest. Number 6. Police officers must have a warrant or probable cause to search you or your property. Under the 4th Amendment of the United States Constitution, police officers must have a warrant or probable cause to search you or your property. If they do not have a warrant, they must obtain your consent to search. Number 7. You have the right to file a complaint against police officers for misconduct. If you feel that a police officer has acted improperly or has violated your rights, you have the right to file a complaint with the appropriate authorities. Police officers can be complained against for a variety of reasons, such as using excessive force, discrimination, unprofessional conduct, harassment or abuse of authority, neglect of duty, false arrest and wrongful imprisonment, and tampering with evidence or falsifying reports. Number 8. If you feel your rights have been violated, inform the officer and document the incident. If you feel that a police officer has violated your rights, it is important to inform the officer of the violation and document the incident. This can include taking notes or pictures of any injuries, obtaining the officer's name and badge number, and seeking the assistance of a lawyer or a complaint board. That's our list of 8 things to note when dealing with the police. Please tell us in the comments if you have any other helpful information or if you have some concerns about the ones listed here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.